Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So in this video I just want to focus on the short term because this is where it's interesting at the moment. Nothing has changed besides here the shorter time frame if you compare that to the previous videos. I mean, not even this has changed, but we've made some progress. So the idea is at the moment that we have a possible 5-wave move to the upside of the recent lows here that were made on the 24th of May. This is good because it could indicate that the trend has shifted from a downtrend into an uptrend. Solana is one of the coins that I observe very closely with regards to this opportunity because we could count an entire correction down complete, if you remember, yeah? And then we had a break of a trend line here and we said, okay, as soon as we see that, we need to be watching for a possible trend change. First level of confirmation that we get is a 5-wave move up. In the alternative count, we also expected a bounce, but just in a wave 4, which would result to another lower low. So the idea was then that we have possibly 5 waves up complete here, or at least the rally completed. I gave you yesterday, I think it was, this support area for price to ideally get into. It's not there yet, but I think it's on a good way. And if it is holding this support, especially the 1932 level, because this is sort of the pivot point. Yeah? Below that level, the blue count is likely going to work out, which could lead to another low. Ideally then holding $17.80, because it would still be part of a larger bullish case, as long as we're holding $17.80. But if we have already changed trend, and if we don't get this lower low, price needs to hold the $19.30 level, 1932, again the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement of this rally to the upside. So we've got two potentials, one is short-term bullish, one is short-term bearish. As long as overall $17.80 is holding, overall upside is expected, yeah, in both scenarios, but the idea that the trend has already shifted back to the upside is valid and actually likely as long as we're holding $19.32. Okay, so the idea was 5 waves up. Yeah, you can count that or call that possibly a wave 1. Then we have a 5-wave move down, which I consider to be an A wave. Possibly be already complete, even though the B wave can still extend higher. I think, let's see where it retraced to. By the way, let me take the red box out. We don't need that one anymore. That was the target, yeah, for this rally. So now we can use that space to define a resistance area, standard resistance for the B wave. So standard resistance for the B wave, just need to activate the correct B wave. So perfect. So it reacted to the 50% retracement at $20.92, or the area between the 50% and the 61.8% retracement, and seems to be heading down now in a C wave. It can still move higher as long as it stays below 2120. I think downside pressure is still very much active. So ideally what we're seeing is either going a little higher and then down, or directly down. If it breaks below yesterday's low at 2044, I think the direct downside path is confirmed. We might have already here a small 1-2 setup of wave C, but this is really very micro, and often you get a lot of distortions there. But we broke the trend line to the downside, which is sort of what we wanted to see in this scenario anyway, to get a confirmation that the top is in place here. But yeah, let's see if we get there. So support starts at $20.10, the 50% retracement, that's standard support for a wave 2, and goes down to 1932. So again, the idea is that this here could have been a wave 1, yeah, in the white wave count. And then this move down is currently a wave 2, and at the moment it's adhering to that, but again the pivot point is really that $19.30 level. Okay, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.